Hi, today I'm going to show you how to install MySQL in Mac system. So for that, first we need to go to the MySQL download site for downloading the MySQL community server, and it is like mysql.com download MySQL. Uh, then check which version you wants to install. I'm going to install MySQL community server 5.7. So I'm going to that link. So here in this page you need to select that version 5.7.23 and the operating system. Then please select the download for the DMG file. So DMG will support Mac, so you have to download that. So here it is asking login and sign up for Oracle. I'm not going to sign. I'm just going to start the download. Click OK. So it started downloading. So let's see how far it has done. Okay, it's in progress. Yeah, it's completed now. Yeah, my installer file is downloaded. So just you have to click on that, and it will start to install. Click on continue, again continue, accept, then install. Give your Mac password. Okay, and it will generate a temporary password. Please remember that one. So it will need, yeah, it's generated now, the temporary password. Don't forget this password, save it someplace, and it will need for first time connection to the MySQL server, otherwise you can't do anything. Okay, okay, now close everything and restart your system. Otherwise it will not impact your changes, so you need to restart your system. And then I restarted my system, and then check your MySQL is installed or not. So it is already installed, and I checked it is running. So like when you will install, and it will run automatically, uh, and you need to reset the password, the temporary password. For that you have to open that terminal and use the few commands to reset your temporary password. This is very important. Just use the command cuser local, that one, then give this one, and give your temporary password. It will ask the password. Give your the temporary password which it was generated at the time of installation. Again the temporary password, and now I'm able to log in. Now I'm going to set the password. So I'm going to use the set password for root localhost is equal to password and the new password. This command I'm going to use. give your new password here and press enter. So I'm going to give my password here and click enter. Yeah, the password set is done. Now I'm going to set my password not to expire. So generally it not need to do, but I'm doing it so that it's not expire anytime. So you can use this command: alter user root localhost password expire never. So if you use this one, the password will never expire. Okay, now I have to come out of this page screen, so you have to use \q dot, so you will come out of that screen. That's And one more important information for you, that I have also created a GitHub wiki page for installing the MySQL server in Mac, and I have provided that link below this video, so please refer that one, so it will help you. Thank you.